साले जी ने, जिसमें फेस्टिवल ऑफ इंडिया। तो चलते हैं।
हम्म।
जो मैंने स्क्रीन बनाया था सेम ही उन्होंने क्विज में दिया है, फेस्टिवल्स ऑफ इंडिया। हम
यस।
डिफरेंट, क्योंकि आप जानते हैं कि विभिन्न कल्चर, विभिन्न संस्कृति के लोग पूरे भारत में रहते हैं। ये एक
हम्म।
बहुत बड़ा बगिया है, उपवन है, जिसमें विभिन्न कलर के, विभिन्न तरह के पुष्प खिलते हैं। ऐसे ही हमारी संस्कृति, विभिन्न संस्कृतियों से ये देश बना हुआ है।
यस।
तो इसी के आधार पर हमारे यहाँ जो फेस्टिवल्स हैं कई तरह के हैं, नेशनल फेस्टिवल्स हैं जो पूरे देश में मनाए जाते हैं। इसके अलावा रिलीजियस फेस्टिवल हैं, सीजन वेदर से कंसर्न है, हार्वेस्ट से कंसर्न है। तो विभिन्न तरह के त्योहारों का हम आयोजन करते हैं और धूमधाम से मनाते हैं। तो चलते हैं आज के सेशन पर, पहला क्वेश्चन लेते हैं। पहले उससे पहले एक इंफॉर्मेशन है। इन टूडेज क्विज few questions are multiple choice questions and some are free response। फ्री रिस्पॉन्स में कोई
ओके।
चॉइस नहीं होगी, उसमें आपको
ओके।
आंसर देना है। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ टूडेज क्विज, चलिए। हाउ मेनी नेशनल फेस्टिवल्स आर सेलिब्रेटेड इन इंडिया? A5, B3, C4, D6।
Three.
थ्री। थ्री।
Three.
Yes, 3 is the correct answer. These three festivals are Republic Day on January 26, Independence Day on August 15, and Gandhi Jayanti on October 2nd।
Six.
ओके।
चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। This festival marks the beginning of New Year in Maharashtra. People eat sweet like Puran Poli or Shrikhand along with Ambe Dal or Sont Pak. The New Year. In Maharashtra, they celebrated New Year as this day.
गुड्डी पड़वा।
Gudi
Gudi Padwa. Gudi Padwa.
गुड्डी
Yes,
पड़वा।
yes, correct
Yeah.
answer. This is Gudi Padwa.
हम्म। हम्म।
Now, next question is, this is most famous harvest festival of Punjab, which is celebrated on April 13th or April
Baisakhi.
14th every year. It
Baisakhi.
is also a significant religious event for Sikhs, as it is marked the formation of Khalsa Panth by Guru Gobind Singh Ji. Identified the festival.
Baisakhi. Baisakhi.
Yes, Manita ji, it's a correct answer is
वैसा।
correct. Baisakhi. On 13 April they celebrate. And one historical event also happened on 13th April, Baisakhi Day in Jallianwala Bagh, जो हमने अक्सर डिस्कस करते हैं।
Yeah.
Now next question is, the Sindhis celebrate their New Year Day as the birthday of Jhulelal, the patron of the Sindhis. This festival is known as what?
चेटी चांद, चेटी चांद।
Yes, 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 चेटी चांद। सीओ जी, आज बहुत दिनों बाद आप ऑनलाइन आए हैं।
चंद चेटी चांद। मुझे नहीं मालूम था। चेटी चंद। चेटी चांद।
नेक्स्ट
ओके,
क्वेश्चन,
मुझे नहीं मालूम।
दिस इज वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन। Trishur Puran festival, a vibrant festival included decorated elephants, are a central feature of the processions, and traditional music and dance is celebrating in the Vedakunthan temple, which is the one of the oldest temples. This festival is celebrated in A. Andhra Pradesh, B.
Kerala.
Kerala, C. Tamil Nadu, or D. Karnataka.
Kerala.
इन कर्नाटका।
केरला। केरला।
केरला का आइडिया आपको मिलेगा क्योंकि ऊपर त्रिशूर दिया हुआ है। त्रिशूर इज द मेजर सिटी ऑफ द केरला।
Yes.
दिस इज द करेक्ट आंसर, केरला। आगे ऊपर क्वेश्चन में इसका आंसर था। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, दिस फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट द ट्रिम्फ of light over darkness and good over evil, marking the return of Lord Rama to Ayodhya after 14 years.
Dasera. Dasera.
दशहरा।
Dasera.
Then again, please, the
Dasera.
correct answer.
Dasera.
Then on the marking the return of Lord Rama to Ayodhya after 14 years.
Dasera. Diwali. Diwali.
दिवाली। दिवाली। दीपावली।
Diwali. Diwali.
Not correct. The answer is Diwali.
Yeah, Diwali.
Yes, they
Diwali.
celebrate Diwali. In which state is the annual Ran Utsav held? A. Rajasthan, B. Gujarat, C. Maharashtra, D. Telangana.
Ran is in Gujarat. Ran is
Yes.
in Gujarat.
हाँ, रन इज कच्छ का रन बहुत फेमस है। तो रन उत्सव जो है गुजरात में सेलिब्रेट।
गुजरात।
चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, जरा ध्यान से सुनिए। Ganesh Utsav is to Maharashtra as Gangor is to what? Gangor festival.
Rajasthan.
Ganesh Utsav is to Maharashtra as Gangor is to what?
Rajasthan.
Yes, correct. कौन बोले?
Me. I said Maya.
Gangor is the correct answer. Gangor is in Rajasthan. They celebrated in Rajasthan by women Gangor festival. Gudi Padwa is to Maharashtra as Lathmar Holi is to what? Gudi Padwa is to Maharashtra as Lathmar Holi is to what?
Is in Vrindavan. Yes.
Then the question, Seerat, they are given the state.
UP.
UP, उत्तर प्रदेश. मथुरा is the correct answer कि मथुरा में लठमार होली होती है, लेकिन स्टेट है उत्तर प्रदेश. Yes, it is correct answer.
Uttar Pradesh.
उत्तर प्रदेश, लठमार होली. What is the name of the free community meal served on Guru Parv or a Sikh festival?
Langar.
Langar. कड़क साथ,
Langar.
सेवैयां और langar. Langar is free community meal always served on this Gurdwara. What does the Jain festival of Mahavir Jayanti celebrate? Why they celebrate Mahavir Jayanti? Enlightenment of Lord Mahavir, the death of Lord Mahavir, the birthday of Siddharth, or the birth of Lord Mahavir? Why they celebrate Mahavir Jayanti by Jainism?
Birth of Mahavir.
Yes, the birth of Lord Mahavir.
Lord Mahavir.
Yes,
Birth
correct
of
answer. The birth of Lord Mahavir. Chaliye, next question is, Bihu is the most important and vibrant festival celebrated in Assam. There are three main Bihu festivals. Which festival marked the beginning of the Assamese New Year? Rongali Bihu, Magh Bihu, or Kati Bihu?
Rongali.
New Year.
Rongali.
Yes, correct answer.
Bihu.
Rongali Bihu is the correct answer. Rongali Bihu in
Rongali.
April to mark the Assami New Year and the start of planting season. Magh Bihu in January after the harvest season, and Kati Bihu in October during the mid-crop season with prayer for good harvest. So Rangoli Bihu is a New Year day. Chaliye, next question. The Kambala festival of Karnataka features what kind of race? Kite race, boat race, buffalo race, or bull race? In Kambala festival in Karnataka.
Boat race.
Boat
race is Kerala. Wrong
Boat
answer.
race. It is boat race.
No.
Karnataka.
The answer is buffalo race.
Yes.
In Karnataka.
Buffalo race. Is it? But the
What
buffalo.
is the significance of Pongal in Tamil Nadu? A festival of lights, a harvest festival, a festival of colors, or a spring festival?
A harvest festival.
Yes, this is the harvest festival. The primary significance is to express deep gratitude to the sun god, Mother Earth, and the farm animals for their essential role in providing a successful harvest. So we celebrate Pongal in Tamil Nadu. In which of the following festivals are the boat races a special feature? Onam, B. Pongal, C. Navratri, or D. Diwali?
Onam.
Onam बहुत famous है. तो आपने Onam is the festival celebrated in the state of Kerala. It is known for its boat races, which are a special feature of the festival. नहीं, केरला में ही है, ओनम के समय ही सेलिब्रेट की जाती है. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज लोहरी नहीं कहते, इसे लोहड़ी कहते हैं एक्चुअल में. तो लोहड़ी सेलिब्रेटेड इन द मंथ ऑफ ए अप्रैल, बी जनवरी, सी अगस्त, डी दिसंबर?
April.
लोहड़ी ना वनीता, इट इज नॉट करेक्ट. अप्रैल में नहीं है.
December.
January. Then January.
Yes, this is in January before Makar Sankranti. Punjab celebrated Lohri. So Lohri in the month of January.
December, January.
Lohri is popular festival celebrated in the month of January. It is primarily observed in the Punjab region of India and mark the end of winter and the arrival of longer days. People gather around bonfires, sing traditional songs, and offer prayers to seek blessings for a bountiful harvest. What are the traditional dances of women in Punjab? Anyone give the answer?
Bhangra.
For women.
Women.
Women are not women.
Gidda.
Gidda, yes. Women, the famous traditional dance of women is Gidda, and men for Bhangra is for the men.
जिद्दा क्या है
Gidda,
इसमें?
yes, Gidda. G-I-D-D-H-A, Gidda.
G-I-double-D.
Okay. For how many days is Pongal celebrated?
4 days. 4 days.
4 days. Okay.
Yes.
4 days, correct answer. Pongal is a 4-day harvest festival celebrated in the state of Tamil Nadu. It is one of the most important festivals in the region and marks the beginning of the Tamil month Thai. The festival is dedicated to the sun god and is celebrated with great enthusiasm and joy. The 4 days of Pongal are known as Bhogi Pongal, Thai Pongal, Matu Pongal, and Kanum Pongal, each with its own significance and rituals. Therefore, the correct answer is 4. चलिए, बहुत easy है. Ganesh Chaturthi is an important festival dedicated to Lord Ganesh. Which delicious sweet dish is offered to God on this day?
मोदक
Yes, correct answer.
बहुत खाए हमने अभी.
बहुत खाया आपके सीधा गए ये गणेश चतुर्थी.
मोदक.
ये रजिया जी आंसर देंगी. Whose death is mourned on Muharram? A. Prophet Muhammad, B. Hazrat Bilal, C. Imam Hussain, or D. Hazrat Umar?
Imam Hussain.
Correct answer is Imam Hussain. Imam Hussein's death is mourned on Muharram. Muharram is the first month of Islamic calendar and is considered a sacred month by Muslims. It is during this month that the martyrdom of Imam Hussain, the grandson of Prophet Muhammad, is commemorated. Imam Hussain was killed in the Battle of Karbala in 680 AD, and his death is seen as a significant event in Islamic history. The morning rituals and processions held during Muharram are a way for Muslims to remember and honor Imam Hussein's sacrifice. इसीलिए मुहर्रम के जुलूस निकलते हैं, आपने देखा होगा. Next, Diwali is the shortened version of Deepavali. What does the word Deepavali actually means? Deepavali.
Light of life.
Light of life.
Row of lighted
lamps. Correct answer. Row of lighting the lamp. बिल्कुल संस्कृत में से दीपावली लिया है. The word Deepavali is derived from Sanskrit and is a combination of two words, Deepa, which means light, and Avali, which means a row. So Deepavali literally means a row of light or festival of lights भी कह सकते हैं. With which festival is the Jallikattu? Jallikattu आपने नाम सुना होगा. Jallikattu is centuries old bull taming traditional sports event associated. Now the government banned this Jallikattu festival. Actually Jallikattu जो एक तरीका है टैम करने का बुल को, उसको ऊपर बैन लग गया है क्योंकि काफी लोग इससे मर जाते थे.
Pongal.
नहीं, yes, answer is Pongal. In Jallikattu, participants attempt to tame bulls by holding onto their hump with prizes awarded for success. The event is a cultural expression of bravery and pride, promoting indigenous breeds and typically takes place in villages near Madurai. अभी बैन है इसके ऊपर जल्लीकट्टू पे. चलिए, next question is, who is credited with starting Ganesh Chaturthi as a public festival?
Bal Gangadhar
Tilak is the correct answer. Okay. Bal Gangadhar Tilak is the correct answer. Next question is, Nuakhai, an annual harvest festival, is predominantly observed in which state? It has its best celebration in the Kalahandi, Sambalpur and Balangir district of this state. A.
संबलपुर से
B. झारखंड, C. उड़ीसा, D. अरुणाचल प्रदेश। मैंने क्लू साथ में दिया है कि इन डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स में सबसे ज्यादा सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है ये नुआखाई।
संबलपुर तो बिहार में है, तो बिहार।
संबलपुर बिहार में नहीं है, संबलपुरी
नहीं?
साड़ी होती है ना।
संबलपुर झारखंड।
नो, झारखंड भी रॉन्ग है, बिहार भी रॉन्ग है। कालाहांडी आपने सुना होगा, कालाहांडी जहाँ अक्सर फेमाइन होता है। तो आंसर, करेक्ट आंसर इज उड़ीसा। उड़ीसा, यस, उड़ीसा में ये नुआखाई एनुअल हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है। चलिए, यहाँ भी बहुत इजी है। चकनगान नगई, ए पोस्ट हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल इज सेलिब्रेटेड in this northeastern state of India whose capital is Imphal. A. Meghalaya,
मणिपुर।
B. Tripura, C. Manipur, D. Mizoram.
मणिपुर।
चकनगान नगई, यहाँ मैंने क्लू दिया हुआ है, whose capital is Imphal.
त्रिपुरा।
त्रिपुरा की कैपिटल जो है अगरतला है।
तो फिर मिजोरम।
ये कितनी बार हमने इस तरह के क्यूज लिए हैं। चलिए, मणिपुर। मणिपुर इज द करेक्ट आंसर। कैपिटल ऑफ मणिपुर इज इम्फाल। एक हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल है, ये उनके लोकल नेम है वहां पर। चलिए, विच स्टेट ऑफ इंडिया, दिस इज वेरी फेमस फेस्टिवल महोत्सव, विच स्टेट ऑफ इंडिया राजगीर महोत्सव एन एनुअल 3 days फेस्टिवल ऑफ डांस एंड म्यूजिक इज सेलिब्रेटेड। It is organized by the Nalanda District Administration with the help of the State Tourism Development Corporation. A. उत्तर प्रदेश, B. बिहार, C. झारखंड, D. छत्तीसगढ़। थोड़ा जोर दीजिए, आपको आंसर मिलेगा। इस क्वेश्चन आंसर है नालंदा डिस्ट्रिक्ट। ओके, नालंदा डिस्ट्रिक्ट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ऑर्गेनाइज करता है। नालंदा इज इन विच स्टेट?
बिहार। बिहार,
यस यस, बिहार। राजगीर महोत्सव बहुत फेमस है, 3 days फेस्टिवल है डांस और म्यूजिक के लिए। थ्रू ऑफ इंडिया से और बाहर से भी लोग आते हैं। चलिए, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज वेरी इजी। तानसेन समारोह, लोकरंग समारोह, नमस्ते ओरछा एंड खजुराहो फेस्टिवल आर सेलिब्रेटेड इन विच स्टेट ऑफ इंडिया? ए. महाराष्ट्र, बी. तेलंगाना, सी. मध्य प्रदेश और डी. गुजरात। मध्य प्रदेश क्योंकि ओरछा है, खजुराहो है, खजुराहो और उसके कारण से। चलिए, मध्य प्रदेश इज द करेक्ट आंसर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, नौरेन आप आंसर दीजिए इसका। एलिफेंटा फेस्टिवल, काला घोड़ा फेस्टिवल एंड कालिदास फेस्टिवल आर सेलिब्रेटेड इन विच स्टेट ऑफ इंडिया?
केरला।
केरला।
डी. कर्नाटका, डी. राजस्थान।
घोड़ा फेस्टिवल,
काला घोड़ा फेस्टिवल। बॉम्बे रहते हैं ना आप, नौरीन?
ओके, इन महाराष्ट्र।
महाराष्ट्र
वेरी फेमस एलिफेंटा के काला घोड़ा फेस्टिवल एंड कालिदास फेस्टिवल्स आल्सो, these are very famous in Maharashtra.
B.
In which state of India Hornbill Festival is an annual 10-day celebration held in Kisama Heritage Village in month of December? This festival aims to revive, protect and promote the diverse heritage and tradition of Naga people.
In Nagaland.
Nagaland and D. Tripura. Yes, Noreen, it is the correct
Nagaland.
Nagaland.
Nagaland
is the correct answer. Okay, next question is,
which festival
is celebrated as the birth of Lord Krishna, who is considered as the 8th avatar of Lord Vishnu? Birth of Lord Krishna. Festival name?
Janmashtami.
Janmashtami is the correct answer.
Janmashtami.
Okay. Which is the most prominent 4-day festival of Bihar, dedicated to the sun god, involving fasting, offering prayers to the sun and holy dip in the
Chhath Puja.
A. Karwa Chauth, Chhat Puja and the Mahashivratri. Yes, Sirat?
Karwa
Yeah. Yes. Yes,
Karwa
correct
Chauth.
answer is Chhat Puja. Chat Puja is correct answer. This is very famous festival. 4-day festival. Chal.
Please offer all
Which
this.
Hindu festival is celebrated as the victory of divine goddess over the demon king Mahishasura?
Durga
A. Ram,
Puja.
Durga
Durga
Puja.
Puja.
Yes, Vanita?
Durga Puja.
Yes, Durga Puja. Durga Puja is the correct answer. चलिए. Which sacred festival of the Sikh community marked the birth of the first Sikh Guru? A. Guru Nanak Jayanti, B. Guru Tegh Bahadur Jayanti, C. Ramdas Jayanti or D. Guru Govind Singh Ji Jayanti?
Guru Nanak
Guru Nanak
Jayanti. Guru
Jayanti.
Nanak
Yes, Guru Nanak Jayanti. It is correct answer. Now, next question is, which one of the following is not correctly matched? Andhra Pradesh to Ugadi, Goa is to Carnival, Odisha is to Rath Yatra, Rajasthan is to Ganga Dashara. Which is not correctly matched?
Rajasthan Ganga Dashera.
Yes, Rajasthan to Ganga Dashara. This is not correct. This is Uttarakhand to Ganga Dashara. So, answer is Rajasthan to Ganga Dashara. This is not correctly matched. Now, short quiz. Definitely you enjoyed this.